He is walking. She is running. He is jumping. They are shaking hands. She is riding a bicycle. The boy is flying a kite. She is reading a Bible. She is dancing. He is drinking water. She is listening to music. She is teaching him. They are playing. She is waving her hand. She is fighting karate. He is driving his car. They are taking selfies. She is washing her face. She is playing soccer. He is cooking. She is pushing the baby stroller. She is surfing. The butterfly is flying. The man is exercising. He is giving her a gift. He is playing drums. They are sleeping. He is taking notes. She is brushing her teeth.